Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your drivers. The quickest way to reset your graphics drivers is by using a simple keyboard shortcut. Press the Windows key, Control, Shift, and the letter B simultaneously. Your screen will briefly flicker, and you will hear a beep, indicating that your display drivers have been reset. This often fixes minor graphical glitches or freezes without needing to restart your computer. It is a very handy trick to remember. For a more general approach, you can reset drivers through Device Manager. First, open Device Manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Locate the specific driver you wish to reset, such as your display adapter. Right-click on it, select Disable Device, and confirm. After a few moments, right-click again and choose Enable Device. This process effectively reloads the driver without a full system restart. If a simple reset does not work, reinstalling the driver is the next step. In Device Manager, right-click the driver and select Uninstall Device. Make sure to check the box to delete the driver software if prompted. Then, download the newest driver directly from your hardware manufacturer's official website. Install this fresh driver, and then restart your computer to ensure the changes take full effect. Keeping your drivers updated is crucial for system health and performance. You can check for updates through Windows Update or by visiting your hardware manufacturer's support page. Always download drivers from official sources to avoid security risks. If you encounter issues after an update, consider using a system restore point created before the update. This can revert your system to a previous, stable state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.